Just as the world keeps evolving, so does technology. To ride the wave of technological progress that brings economic success requires vision and determination. Shiro, a leader in consumer digital lifestyle products, has taken on these challenges, seized the momentum and harnessed the energy. Shiro, a subsidiary of Aztech Systems Limited, has established for itself a worldwide reputation for innovative design and high-quality manufacturing, providing ODM, OEM contract manufacturing and retail distribution services for customers worldwide. Incorporated in 1986, Aztech, headquartered in Singapore, has strong research and development capabilities. Its 4 R&D centers are located in Singapore, Hong Kong, Shenzhen and Dongguan, China. Covering a total area of about 464,442 square feet, about the size of 9 football fields, Aztech's manufacturing facility is located in Dongguan, China. The facilities are world-class and vertically integrated, including plastic tooling, plastic injection, SMT operation, BGA test and final assemblies. Our complete manufacturing services, including design, material management, logistics services and customer program management, thus providing our customers with seamless, value-added service at every stage, from product transfer, manufacturing and final shipping of the products. Our factory is fully equipped with the state-of-the-art and sophisticated manufacturing facilities, such as complete SMT line, chip-on-board, manual insertion line, final assembly line, ICT testers, functional testing station, X-ray BGA station, reliability lab, and so on. Vertically integrated with our own plastic injection and tooling molding operation, we can offer our customers consistent quality, timely delivery, and competitive cost and customized product. With our strong R&D and manufacturing capabilities, our product offerings include digital audio and video players, ADSL2 plus routers, ADSL2 plus residential gateways, wireless LAN routers and home plugs, decked phone, and Skype decked dual phone. We have implemented stringent quality control processes at all stages of manufacturing, including design, selection of raw materials, fabrication, assembly and packaging. This is to ensure that our products are of the highest quality. Our manufacturing facility is certified to international standards, such as ISO 9001-2000, TL 9000, UL, TUV and CCIB. Our high-quality products not only meet the world's industrial standard, but also the needs of all customers. To ensure uninterrupted power supply, we have our own generators. To ensure that its 2,000 workforce workers are productive and efficient, we provide training and also make staff welfare our top priority. Many facilities are built to ensure our staff are comfortable and enjoy a good quality of life. These include dormitories and executive apartments, a clinic, recreational amenities such as a library, internet bar, basketball court, badminton court, table tennis and billiards, and a convenience store. With strong R&D capabilities, a competitive workforce and excellent manufacturing facilities, we assure our customers quality products, on-time delivery and competitive pricing. Shiro, always delivering exemplary products and services to our customers.